Going on, boys and girls? It's Morris time.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright guys, so before we get into this episode, I just want to take this opportunity to sort of reach out to you guys and just ask for a bit of help, you know, just a like, subscribe, share the videos, hit the little bell icon so you can keep up to date with it. It greatly helps me out a bit. We've been falling on tough times lately. That's why some of these episodes sort of come and go real quick. So yeah, invite your friends or show them. Like the channel, subscribe to it. The subscriptions help me out a lot. And hit the little bell icon. So yeah, like, subscribe, and share, and I would be greatly appreciated. Anyways, back onto this episode. I hope you enjoy it.
We have some goodies. Look what we got here. Flex plate, bolts, V-bands so I can connect the exhaust. Bought some shiny shit, because you know, buy some shiny shit before it's even running. That's what you do, right? I've got the engine mount plate came. Goes on here. I've kind of roughed in how I'm going to mount it. It'll probably stay roughed in because, you know, this is my idea though. This is like recycled from roller door bracket. Braced up here. This is going to bolt onto the chassis there. Kind of like, it should be strong enough because this is where the original Morris mount bolts on, and it's like, it's only a little bit heavier and more powerful, you know. It should be right. But wait, there's more. Stick around because you know what this means. This is going on the engine. Once this is, I'm going to take all this out. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to ratchet strap it to the crane, and we're going to fire it up. We'll see if we can anyway. Stick around. If you come in here, the column mount turned up as well. This is the old one, and that's the new one. It's just a bit lower, so the column's on a better angle now. I like that. So while I was here, I just mounted the taco up here right in your face. If you see me in the same clothes all the time, it's because I spend all my money on car parts. Still got it with the magic fingers there. Makes it easy, doesn't it? Alrighty, gearbox is off. You can see that adapter plate now. Let's see if this flex plate works with the starter motor lock. Oh, I hope it does. But, man, I don't know how people make working on cars on YouTube look glamorous, because I'm huffing and puffing and sweating, and it's really not. Now the front's off, you can see that plate a bit better. That's how that's gonna go. Again, don't look at my welds too much, alright? But it's welded to the shit house to the best of my ability. Okay, so nearly ready to go. I got the battery hooked up. It's charging at the moment. Got me coils, got to run a jumper wire to hot that up. Got some gauges for me, see if we've got oil pressure. So timing looks good, so just got to check the spark, check it's got oil in it, I suppose. Maybe we should. And then just put some fuel down the vent bowl here to fill that up and squirt it in and make some noise. Moment of truth with the starter motor. The internet was correct. It works. She's all hooked up. Oh lordy. You guys nervous? Because I am. I think that's all that's left is wind it over. Oh, you guys nothing. Come back. She just started to pump oil up right there, look at that. But I've checked the spark and it's got no spark, so I've pulled the points out. All you young players, this is what points are. These open and close with the little cam there. Alright, yeah. And there's normally a gap in there. These are pretty worn, I think. We'll clean them up, give it a gap and then have another go. Okay, lunch is over. Battery's got a lot more charge in it. Let's have another go. I'm just trying to wind it over at the moment to get some oil pressure, and then we'll get some spark, and then we'll get some juice. Okay, so see right here, it's on the lobe, so I'm just going to try and get a gap in right there. And on this one, you can adjust it right here. See that gap there? It's closing up, opening up. Should measure it, I suppose, but as long as we've got a gap there. Well, there we go. 5 shops later, found one. Half of them didn't even know what it was. Found it on their own computer. Hopefully it works, but everything else checks out alright. So if we can't get any spark with the points, we'll put a Chinese Pro billet electronic distributor in it. Because it's Chinese, we'll call it maybe a semi-pro billet. Funny story, the lady at Repco is like, oh, what's it out of? I said, oh, it's a 350 Chev out of a HQ Statesman. And she's like, oh, what colour is it? I said, oh, well, I don't have the Statesman, I've just got the engine. And she goes, oh, I'm not excited anymore. I said, you sure about that? It's in a Morris Minor. Alright, let's try again. You're gonna be the Mr. Fuel Man. Let's go. Oh, I forgot the coil. Oh, hang on. Here you go.
Pressure.
Yeah?
It was up to about 50.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Let's go again.
Flooded it?
Don't be shy. Oh, we want to do with a zoom, 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 and a boom, boom. She runs. And my little engine run stand worked sweet. Now that that's all good, it's time to fix this mess and fill in all the gaps and get this sucker in there. Let's go. See you on the next one.